Future-proofing elderly healthcare, a family-centric approach to rising medical costs. Why planning for senior healthcare can't wait. India is undergoing a significant demographic transformation. By 2050, over 320 million Indians, nearly 20% of the population, will be aged 60 or above. With this shift comes a growing burden on the healthcare system and more immediately on families who shoulder the responsibility of caring for their elderly loved ones. What was once considered a peaceful phase of life is now increasingly marked by chronic illnesses, soaring medical expenses, and financial anxiety. The need for proactive planning has never been more urgent. The soaring cost of aging. Healthcare inflation in India is currently estimated at 14% annually, outpacing general inflation. This is particularly concerning for older adults, many of whom manage non-communicable diseases like diabetes, hypertension, and arthritis. Conditions that require ongoing consultations, diagnostics, and medications. A single hospitalization for procedures such as hip replacements or pacemaker implants can cost between 3 lakh to 7 lakh. Add to that the recurring expenses of physiotherapy, home care, and assisted living. And it's easy to see why families often feel overwhelmed. The caregiver's dilemma, emotional and financial strain. As India transitions from joint to nuclear family structures, the emotional and financial burden on caregivers, often adult children, has intensified. Unlike predictable life goals such as education or retirement, medical emergencies are sudden and financially disruptive. A single health crisis can deplete years of savings or plunge families into debt. Planning for elderly healthcare is not just about money, but about preserving dignity, ensuring quality of life, and maintaining peace of mind. Start early. Insurance and savings are key. Secure health insurance early. Health insurance is a cornerstone of elderly care planning. While insurers now offer senior-specific plans, even for those over 70, these often come with high premiums, 30,000 to 40,000 rupees annually, co-pay clauses, and coverage limitations. To avoid these pitfalls, buy insurance early, ideally when parents are in their 50s or early 60s, understand policy terms thoroughly, especially exclusions and waiting periods, supplement insurance with a personal healthcare fund to cover out-of-pocket expenses, build a dedicated elder care fund. Treat this like a parallel retirement fund, a systematic investment plan (SIP) of just 5,000 rupees a month started early can accumulate into a substantial corpus over time. Beyond hospitalization, embrace preventive and OPD care. While hospitalization cover is essential, most elderly healthcare needs revolve around outpatient services, regular doctor visits, diagnostics, physiotherapy, and home care. Opt for OPD inclusive insurance plans, invest in preventive health checkups to catch issues early, encourage healthy lifestyle habits to delay or prevent chronic conditions. Leverage technology for home-based care. Digital health solutions are transforming elderly care in India. Teleconsultations and AI-powered diagnostics reduce the need for hospital visits. Wearables and remote monitoring tools help track vital signs in real time. Medication delivery apps and care coordination platforms simplify daily health management. These tools are especially valuable for working professionals managing care from a distance, offering peace of mind and reducing logistical stress. A family blueprint for elderly healthcare planning. To ensure long-term well-being for aging parents, families should consider the following steps. Start an elder care fund early. Begin saving in your 40s or 50s to build a financial cushion. Review insurance annually. Update policies to reflect changing health needs and include OPD, telehealth, and home care. Prioritize preventive care. Regular screenings and lifestyle interventions can delay disease progression. Introduce seniors to digital health tools. Empower them to manage their health independently. Plan for caregiving. Whether through professional help or shared family responsibilities, caregiving needs structured planning. Home care can cost 20,000 to 60,000 rupees a month, depending on the level of support required. Dignity, not distress. In an aging India, the question isn't whether to plan for elderly healthcare, it's how early you start. Rising costs shouldn't translate into rising stress or declining dignity for our elders. With early planning, compassionate caregiving, and smart use of technology, families can ensure that their elders age with the care, comfort, and respect they deserve.